Imagine a day just like any other, when in a blink of an eye, 349 lives are lost. It's a chilling reality that on November 12, 1996, the sky above Charki Dadri in India bore witness to the deadliest mid-air collision in the history of aviation. A fatal misunderstanding led to the collision of Saudi Flight 763 and Kazakhstan Airlines Flight 1907, a tragic event that continues to shape aviation safety protocols today. The Saudi Arabian Airlines Flight 763, a Boeing 747, was carrying 312 passengers, while Kazakhstan Airlines Flight 1907 and Aviation 76 had 37 souls on board. Sadly, not a single person survived the collision. How did such a tragedy occur? The answer lies in a lethal mix of linguistic barriers and altitude confusion. The Kazakh crew's lack of English language skills and reliance on the radio operator for communication were significant factors in this catastrophe. The crew descended below their assigned altitude, a fatal error that led to the mid-air collision. The aftermath of this disaster played a crucial role in reshaping the aviation industry's approach to safety. It brought the importance of clear and effective communication to the forefront. It highlighted the need for uniform language proficiency among pilots and air traffic controllers worldwide, leading to the International Civil Aviation Organization mandating English as the language of aviation. This tragic event also underscored the importance of accurate altitude maintenance, prompting the introduction of traffic collision avoidance systems in aircraft around the globe. These systems alert pilots to potential hazards, helping to prevent similar accidents in the future. The Charki Dadri collision is a stark reminder of the high stakes in aviation safety. But it also showcases the industry's commitment to learning from its mistakes, continuously evolving its safety protocols to protect the lives of those who choose to journey through the sky. The story of Saudi Flight 763 and Kazakhstan Airlines Flight 1907 is a tragic chapter in aviation history, but it's also a valuable lesson. It's a lesson about the importance of clear communication, the need for rigorous safety measures, and the relentless pursuit of a safer sky. Aviation safety isn't just a concern for pilots or air traffic controllers. It's a topic that affects anyone who steps foot on an airplane. So next time you take to the skies, take a moment to appreciate the intricate network of systems and protocols in place to ensure your safe journey. Understanding the causes and effects of aviation accidents like the Charki Dadri collision can help us all become more informed passengers. So delve into the history, learn about the safety measures, and become a part of the conversation around aviation safety. After all, a safer sky benefits us all.